How to quickly learn about a CNC sewing machine. Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to the CNC sewing machine GZ4240. GZ4240 is a PLC system-controlled, human-machine interface-operated, fully automatic sewing function achieved through mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic coordination. This machine can preset 5 sets of data at once, with features such as automatic measurement, automatic clamping, automatic feeding, and automatic sewing. The human-machine interface traditional control panel functions, including digital settings, indicator lights, etc., to display device status, operation instructions, parameter settings at any time, and there are 2 working modes, manual and fully automatic. The saw machine is equipped with 2 sets of hydraulic vices. After the first set of vices clamps the workpiece, the saw machine cuts the material, and the second set of vices clamps it for feeding. Within the given range, the feed speed of the sewing machine can be adjusted steplessly, and the sewing machine can cut single pieces or bundles. After cutting, the saw frame automatically rises rapidly. The feeding length is controlled by a grating ruler with high positioning accuracy and a length error of 0.2 mm. That's all for today's product introduction. Follow Ruben and learn more about sewing machines.